some St. Louis style ribs in the crock pot. I'm gonna slow cook them. These are the ingredients that I used. We got some salt, some Killer Hogs barbecue rub. It's called the barbecue rub actually. And the Sonny's barbecue sauce, some Coke, and some Lean Parents. I don't use any other ingredients because that Killer Hogs has everything you need when you make them ribs. So I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, we're 2 hours in. This is how it's looking. I can smell it, it's delicious. A quick tip with crock pots, you never want to stir your food until at least an hour passes by. So you don't want to open that lid